Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account tied to your Gamertag. This confirms identity and avoids accidental profile splits. Once signed in, open the Xbox app on PC or go to your Xbox profile in a browser. Both routes reach the same setting. Make sure your connection is stable, because changing a Gamertag triggers server validation and availability checks. Now navigate straight to your profile picture, click your current Gamertag, and prepare to edit. This is the first actionable step toward a new name. You now type the new Gamertag into the Edit field. This is where you decide both style and uniqueness. Once done, the system checks availability. If it's taken, make small changes like adding numbers or a hyphen, or try a different word order to keep it recognizable. Make sure your choice follows Microsoft's conduct rules, because prohibited terms will be rejected. After you're happy with the entry, hit Confirm. The platform will reserve that name and queue the change across Xbox Live services. After confirming the change, you should sign out and sign back, and so your PC refreshes the profile cache. This speeds visible updates. Make sure to check other devices. Sometimes changes take a few minutes, other times up to 24 hours to propagate across Xbox Live. If the name fails or shows as unchanged, clear the Xbox app cache or your browser cache and try again. And if problems persist, contact Microsoft support for account-specific issues. This troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.